if you have an auto repair shop and you have multiple masters, people who can fix your car, and you need to manage all the people, you need to manage all your clients, and to see maybe all the cars in and out, information about the cars. For example, this was problematic last time, let's check it, and next time I will know. At least to prevent the client, it will cost a little bit more. Or for example, some clients, corporate clients, pay or didn't pay or is in critical stage, you can send some text automation for on WhatsApp or on their phone or on email, hey, didn't pay the invoice, and this is the amount, and you just don't bother it will do it automatically. And to manage, okay, what masters work now, who is qualified for what kind of job, who is on vacation, and maybe some other information customized especially for your shop. So this app, what I'm showing you, can be customized and adjusted to your needs. So your creativity is the limits here. I made this based on information I know from an outsider, and thinking this will be useful for you, but you can adjust this according to your needs. You know your business better, and by watching this video and trying to understand how this is built, how this is useful for you, you can think or on better ways to automate and make your business work even better. Okay, here are your jobs and reservation and what you finished, what you plan to do. Here are by stage, like right now it's planned for this working. Let's say, okay, we are working on this, and this master is working on this job. We finished today this kind of jobs, but we have these masters who are working right now. We want to see the whole kind of calendar, yes, and plan for each of these guys to give him work. And let's assume we want a new job is coming in our car. Tire change. Okay, this is a new client. It's it's an existing client in our database. We can choose, we can search, for example, John. Okay, we find it, or we can add a new client. Let's add a new client. And what information we want? We want to add his car. Let's write it for Tesla. Let's see, Tesla, year 2020, his code. Okay, enough on this information. And this other information I will show you what is useful if you want to do some sales for corporate clients. This other information will be useful, and payment status also will be useful. For example, is paid or not, to know. Okay, paid, for example, in advance, or he will need to pay. Close. Okay, we add John. Let's add his car. We created his car already. Let's add. And we need to choose what masters we want to assign. Let's quickly look at who is free today. So today is free these guys. So we have in total like 6. Today are 5 available. Okay, let's take who are better in electrical cars. Mihai. Okay, let's add Mihai to this job. Okay, he can start working right now. Or let's give an example, Planet. And when we click Planned, we can set up an automatic message to John. Okay, we planned your car to do. So he right away receive a notification for a reservation for today at 50:30, and we estimate car change it for 1 hour, for example, and he will receive a notification. Okay, your reservation is confirmed. And then we will start working on the car. We can check, okay, start working on a car, and he can receive again a notification. John, will receive a notification on his WhatsApp or on his phone, on text notification, like, hey, we are working on now on nice, these guys are really good, I don't need to wait too much, and finished. For example, okay, this job is finished, he can now come and take the car. This maybe will not be so useful for 1 hour, but when you have some more complicated stuff to do, you can put some pictures. For example, when you change the tire, you notice some issues or something is something strange, and you can take some pictures as a proof. Okay, this was before, and some new pictures, this was after we fixed this, and we can bill, we can give an invoice a bigger price and say, okay, we take care also about this information. Okay, for example, tire, we bought this tire, for example, for 500, change it for the service will take 100, total 600, and this information will be displayed on his invoice, so you can print this invoice, and I will show you how it will be done. And we'll enter here in our database total price of 500. We can see who created, at what hour, who last modified this information. For example, you can have multiple access to different type of roles for different people in your database. And let's print, for example, this one, this information. Let's choose print. Okay, we can select last work tire changed, and we can see all last information for John. We can add his car here, we can add multiple information, we can design this page to look as we want, and maybe QR code to leave us on a review and so on. So after we select it, we click print, and we'll print this paper to him. Okay, what you will have a history of all your clients here, and also it's available on mobile version very quickly. You can sort and look up if you are not here, or on a phone, on a tablet. It's very mobile friendly to change and view all the information. For example, for big clients, if you fish for these kind of clients and you have somebody who make calls or receive some information, okay, you can add them here. For example, this is new corporate client. You can add some cars to him. You can assign who is responsible for this information, what is estimated. You give a rough information about this for your sake. For example, it's 1,000, and you can say, okay, this client is qualified. If you send the offer, you can drag it. Okay, I send the offer, and you see each client on what stage they are, and who closed the sale, and what amount, on what people you should focus. For example, this one is more important. Let's focus on this. Okay, we send the offer. We won or we lost. So all the information you can have this here, and kind of a CRM for managing your deals and close also some sales in case you need this. We can set up some forms, like let me show you a form, and this form he can fill up. You can add on your website. Let me open the form, or just a link you can send, and he can sign up. In this case, we give him more information, but we can eliminate all unnecessary information. He can make a reservation for on the calendar. Okay, I need to change the tires, my name, my mail, and so on, and you will receive automatically the information in the database here. So this is a quick view on how this app works, and if you are in this kind of business, you need to manage multiple clients, reservation, people, and yeah, this app can be customized for your needs. Just contact us and let us know what ideas you have, and we'll implement them for you. Just send us a quick message and we will give you a quick price, estimated price for the setup and for managing the app, because we will not leave you only with app. We will be here to help you. If something goes wrong or you mess up or you have new ideas, we will be here to help you. And as you grow, as you need more functionality, more ideas, we will adjust this for you. So I hope this was useful. My name is Nicolai. I'm a founder of CreateGo company. From 2009, we help small businesses to grow in online, and we serve this type of business as you are now. And we would like to help you. And may God bless you and your business.